Hi, my name is Anthony Fiacco from beloved Brooklyn, and today we're making an early bird. An early bird is fresh lemon juice, honey syrup, Amaro Nonino, Jameson, Angostura bitters, and shaken with fresh pineapple. You always start with your cheapest ingredients, so we're going to do fresh lemon juice. You're going to fill it up to the 0.75 mark in your jigger. After that, you do the honey. Honey is honey and warm water to make honey syrup. You're going to do 0.75 of that as well. Put that in your tin there. Then you're going to fill it up 1.5 ounces of Jameson. And after that, we're going to finish it off with some Amaro Nonino, 0.5 of that. So it's going to fill the jigger to the very top. And then we're going to shake it with some fresh pineapple. Put your pineapple chunk right on the edge of the tin. Fill it with some ice. And shake. After that, you're going to ice your glassware. Strain your ingredients into the glassware. And then garnish. Top with a little bit of soda water at the end to fill it up to the very top. And here you have an early bird. Cheers.